When working on a document in Photoshop, you can email or share your creations to several services directly from within Photoshop using Quick Share. I can either choose File and then Share, or we can use the Quick Share icon in the upper right. When I select it, we get a list of options here. Now, the operating system actually determines the list of services that appear here in the Share panel. So depending on your operating system, you will see different options. If you want to tweak these options or add more, we can go on the Mac to the System Preferences and then go to Extensions and then the Share menu if we wanted to enable some additional options. For now, I'll leave them as they are. Now, for most services and social media channels, Photoshop is going to automatically convert the shared document into the JPEG format while leaving your file that you have active alone. If you do choose to share to something like Facebook, you will need to authenticate the service first. In addition, on the Mac, Photoshop can share in either the original size or it can share in a smaller size. Windows will always share the current size of your document. If you want to add to Lightroom photos, but it's dimmed, then you just need to save the document first. When you select this, Photoshop will upload the entire document to the cloud, which can then be accessed via Lightroom across all of your devices. If you're using Lightroom Classic and you have syncing turned on, then Lightroom Classic will download a copy of the file from the cloud and store it locally, as well as enable you to access it across all of your devices. So the next time you want to share an image to a service or email it, give Quick Share a try.